my geniuses. How are you doing? How are you doing today, my geniuses? I hope that you're fine. I am fine, thank you for asking. We're starting a new topic. Yes, we're starting a new topic, and our topic is possessive noun. And once you talk about possession, you're looking at ownership, right? You're looking at ownership. So that is what we'll be focusing on today. Are you ready for your lesson? Are you excited about it? Are you ready to look at possessive noun? Well, my geniuses, we are going to jump right into it. So let's go. Okay, guys, when we talk about possessive nouns, now we're talking about something that shows ownership, right? We're talking about those nouns that show ownership, and it tells you you own something. So it tells you you own something, right? To make a singular noun show possession, you add an apostrophe, and there is the apostrophe and an S at the end of the word. So to make a singular noun show possession, you add an apostrophe and an S at the end of the word, all right? So let's say we're talking about a singular noun of boy. So we're talking about a singular noun of boy. So to make it show possession, then you would add the apostrophe. And here is what the apostrophe looks like, guys. So this is the apostrophe, and then you put the S. So it becomes boys, right? Now, you might not get that. So let me make it simpler for you, okay? The ball belonging to the boys. So then we could have, we use a different color. Then we could have the boys ball. See that? So all we did was we add the apostrophe and the S to show belonging. So the ball belongs to the boy. Got it? The boy's ball. Good. So that is for the singular noun, all right? So to make a singular noun show possession, add an apostrophe and an S at the end of the word. And here we just did what? Now, guys, I have some for you. So I have some singular nouns for you to show possession, right? The classroom belonging to Miss Morgan. Miss Morgan's classroom. See, it shows ownership. It tells you that the classroom belongs to me. I am in charge of the classroom. Now, further go and say the room of Miss Morgan. Miss Morgan's room. See, so all those are singular. And to make those into the possessive form, because those are nouns, right? And you remember what nouns are. Naming words, they identify people, places, animals, and things, right? So if I say, this marker belongs to Miss Morgan. Miss Morgan's marker. So I would just put my apostrophe right there at the end and add the S, all right? And then it shows possession. It shows that this little marker here is mine. It belongs to me. All right, so that is what singular possessive nouns are like. Look at this example here, guys. The kennel of the dog. What would that one be, my geniuses? Ding, 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 ding. If you said the dog's kennel, and let's write it this way, the dog's, so it's singular, so therefore I would add the apostrophe and the S and then put the word kennel, and it shows ownership. So look at this. I added the apostrophe and put the S, and now it's there, the dog's kennel. So it shows that the kennel belongs to the dog. You get that? Got it. What about this one? The tail of the donkey. I know you know how to do them now, so I'm only doing this one for you. And that would be, tell me. Good. Ding, 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 ding. The donkey is, so for donkey, you would add the apostrophe, and then you put the S and the tail. The donkey's tail. Got it? Now do these two for me in the comment section. All right? So you have the rope of the goat. You got that. And then the other one is the book belonging to the girl. So the book belonging to the girl. And remember, all these are singular possessive noun. So let us take a look now at plural possessive nouns. I know you got this because that was a piece of cake for you. But let's see if you will get those plural possessive nouns. All right, guys. So to form the plural of a possessive noun that ends in S, add an apostrophe after the S. So if the word already ends with S, all you'll have to do is just put the apostrophe there after the S. And that is how you form the plural. However, if the word is in plural, but there's no S added, then you will put the apostrophe and then you add the S there. All right? Yes, you got that, right? I hope so. So let us look again. So if the plural possessive noun ends with S, you're going to add an apostrophe after the S. So you would add the apostrophe after the S, outside of the S here. Okay? But if the plural does not end with S, you will put the apostrophe inside and then you will add the S. Got that? All right, let's look at some example. All right, so here we have the store for woman, and then you could have the woman's store. All right, because woman there is already plural. You know, you have one woman and then more than one woman, right? So this is already in its plural form. So what you do now, the store belonging to the woman, you would have the woman's store. So the apostrophe would go on the inside and then you would add the S. Got it? Beautiful. Now look at this. Fruits of these vendors. What would that be? Fruits of these vendors. Remember, that's in plural. So you would have these vendors, and since the S is there, remember, you would put it on the outside. These vendors' fruits. So see, because it's already plural and the S is there, all you are supposed to do is just add the apostrophe on the outside. And that is another way that you show ownership to plural possessive nouns. All right? So plural possessive nouns, you show the ownership this way as well by adding the apostrophe on the outside of the word that is already plural. Got that, my geniuses? I know you would. All right, look at this one. Hats belonging to the men. How would you say that? If you said the men's with the apostrophe inside and you add the S, the men's hats, ding, 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 you got it. So look at this. So this would be the men's hats. All right, so remember, the men's here, men here is already plural. So all you'd have to do is to put the apostrophe and then you add the S. All right, so let's recap this. To form the plural of a possessive noun that ends in S, you just put the apostrophe on the outside. However, if the plural does not end with S, then you will add the apostrophe on the inside and put the S there. All right? You got that, my geniuses? I hope you did. Please remember that when you're talking about possession, you're talking about ownership. So if someone is trying to possess you, they're trying to own you. So today we looked at possessive nouns. We looked at singular possessive nouns, and those you just add the apostrophe and s. And we also looked at plural possessive nouns. If it ends with s already, then you just put the apostrophe on the outside. However, if the word is plural but it doesn't end with s, you will put the apostrophe and then add the s. Okay, my geniuses? I want to thank you for joining me on Reading Unlimited with Kadian. I want to thank you for liking and subscribing. You know you mean the world to me, right? I appreciate you loads. Guys, please comment, because that's the only way I can hear from you. And I love to hear from you. Remember, touch that notification bell so you will be the first to know once I upload videos. Guys, please remember to join me on my live every Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There, I will get to know you more and we will have loads of fun and giveaways. I hope that you've been kind to yourself. I hope that you've been looking in the mirror and you've been very positive. So tell yourself, you're gorgeous, you're wonderful, you're splendid, you're stunning, you're gorgeous. You know, you're worth everything. You deserve only the best. Yes, be kind to yourself. But in so doing, be kind to others. And if you have nothing good to say about people, please say absolutely nothing at all. Have yourselves a great day. Bye.